Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a pretty big package from TheCubicle.com. Alright, here we are. We've got a bunch of Angstrom puzzles here and a Celeritas and one Pyraminx which is for Shubham and a lot of lubes. So let's start off with this Mr.M Pyraminx. It's not mine, it's Shubham's, but he's given me the permission to open it up and try it out and give some impressions of mine. So here it is. It's a little weird texture. But first turn, this feels pretty good. It's a little flimsy though, in my opinion. Corner cutting is pretty average, I'd say. Reverse is also pretty average. The magnets are a little light, much lighter than the bell, but this seems pretty good so far. I mean, it's not mine, so I can't really play around with it. But yep, this seems pretty good. Let's just go ahead and move on to the next puzzle. The next puzzle we have here is the Angstrom MGC 4x4. Now I have an Aosu GTS2M, but it's 1.5 years old, and oh, okay, nice card here, I really like it, and a pretty cool stand. It's 1.5 years old and it feels really sluggish now, and I'm in need of a new 4x4 because I really like the event. However, that cube is just way too sluggish for me to practice on. And so I'm very excited to upgrade to this one. It's much lighter than the Aosu GTS2M. First turns. It is a little stiff out of the box, no doubt about that. Yep, it seems pretty heavily lubed. The inner layers are really slow. Let's try parity. Yep, at the moment this seems a little bit slower than my Aosu GTS2M. However, that doesn't matter because this is a premium cube and I expect it to speed up over time. Yes, I'm really liking this so far. It has a very nice feeling. It feels nothing like the MGC 5x5. That puzzle is so much silkier and smoother. This is a little bit crispier. I'm not really sure why that's the case, but it turns pretty well either way. Let's hope it'll become much better with break-in. The next puzzle we have here is the Angstrom Valk M. This is the one I'm most excited for because my Valk M is really bad at the moment. It's been through a lot and my Valk LM was just a little bit too unstable for me. So I feel like this will be a great cube considering all the top 2x2ers who don't use a Chuan use this cube. Anyways, the same nice stand and we've got an Angstrom logo. Let's just go ahead and unbox this up now. Why do they put so much tape? Yep, here we go. Alright, this looks pretty good. They were able to get the logo off, which is pretty cool. I don't see any signs of a logo. Anyways, let's just get into first turns. Oh wow, this is good. This feels great. Nothing like my other one, but it has a very unique and interesting feeling. Corner cutting is quite a bit better than mine at the moment. Yep, this seems like a no fuss, very reliable 2x2. I can see why all these top 2x2ers really like this puzzle. Yep, definitely recommend it. It's very nice. This puzzle is a little bit slower than I would like. However, I do have a lot of DNM37 and I'm tempted to drop some in right now. However, I'll wait until this puzzle breaks in, and if it remains too slow, then I will add some DNM. But for now, I'm just going to try and break in this puzzle. The next puzzle we have is a Celeritas WR M 3x3. Now, I don't have a proper 3x3 since a very long time. My Valk Elite is really bad. And oh nice, all these accessories, and we've got a different card this time, a Celeritas card. Yep, here we've got a Celeritas card. Looks pretty good. And these accessories, a black stand this time, and the cube itself. My Valk Elite at the moment, which I'm using, feels really bad. It's not reliable at all, and the little Magic M is just dead. So I'm very excited for this one. This is in the 2020 version because I've heard that one's way too light and uncontrollable. So let's see what this one is like. This feels great already. It's not that fast out of the box, but it feels so much better than my other ones, other 3x3s. I really like this. This is an instant main pretty much, because my other 3x3s are just really bad, and I'm really glad that I finally have a good one. Alright, I'm really happy with this. Okay, let's move on to the next puzzle. The last puzzle we have in here is a Cubicle Custom MGC 2x2, and the receipt, of course. Let's just take that off. So the reason I ordered another MGC 2x2 was my friend Tanish Dhiman, also known as Dude Cuber until a little while ago, he uses an MGC 2x2 as his main, and according to me, he's my 2x2 twin, because both of us don't know full AUF, both of us know very few algs, and he uses an MGC 2x2 as his main. So I decided, why not try one for myself? We also have a Cubicle custom card right here, pretty cool, and a white stand. Let's just go ahead and unbox the puzzle. Okay, it's much lighter than the Valk. Let's do first turns. Okay, this is also pretty good. This is definitely the best MGC I've tried, no doubt about that. However, I'll have a hard time deciding whether this or the Valk will be my main. This feels silky smooth, whereas the Valk is a little bit crispy. Let's do a quick solve on this. This is pretty easy. Yep, this flows very nicely as well. I might consider making this puzzle my main over the Valk 2Ms. Let's see how this works out. It just doesn't corner cut too well. I might want to loosen the tensions, but other than that, it feels pretty great, and I'm very happy with this. Oh, and also this Cubicle custom card, pretty cool. And I also did order a bunch of lubes. This is a 15cc DNM37. This is 15 as well, and then this 3cc for Shubham. Then I got 3 bottles of Cubicle Silk, one for Shubham. All are 10cc, by the way. This is the pamphlet for lubes, receipt, and we've got a bunch of Angstrom lubes. However, one Dignitas and one Gravitas is for Shubham, and the rest is mine. And yep, that's about it for this package. So that's about it for my large Cubicle package. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.